Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. Nice to meet you if you're new. And today, oh my gosh, it's my first time filming in so long. I don't think I filmed for like a month. Do I even know how to do this anymore? Anyways, the purpose of today's video is an announcement. I quit Boxycharm. I know. I never thought I would say that. I never thought I would do this, but it happened, and I'm here to tell you why it happened, what went down, give you the deets on that. But before I get into the video, please do subscribe down below. I would love to have you back here. I normally do videos on beauty, skincare, hair care, and so much more, and I'd love to have you join me. Alright guys, so much has happened in the last month. Apart from quarantine, I was really thinking hard about Boxycharm here. If you've been following me, you know I've been part of Boxycharm for about 7 months. Last month was my 7th month, and I received not just the base box, but the premium box too. So, let me walk you through what happened. One reason why I left Boxycharm is because I just wasn't getting what I asked for. And I've told them so many times that I want makeup, not skincare, not tools. Primarily, I want makeup. I've also left reviews on their website, feedback on their website, and yet over the months, I noticed that I was not getting more makeup. There were months where I got mostly skincare, and there were months where I got, okay, like a decent amount of makeup. But the last month, I got mostly tools and skincare. Out of both of my boxes, there was just a lot less makeup than I wanted. And the whole reason why I even got the premium box last month was because I wanted to see if it'd be better than the base box, if I would get my preferences in there more so than the base box, but it didn't work. So I was only gonna let go of the base box, keep the premium, but since the premium didn't turn out, I just left it. Having been in Boxycharm for 7 months, with repeated feedback, they still didn't improve that. I was just not satisfied. I mean, yeah, I'll use the things I received. I'm not saying I'm not thankful for those things. It's just, I would have preferred other things. Also, something that really bothered me was very often every month they would advertise these really nice products, makeup items, high-end things, just really nice things, and I never seemed to get them in my box. Every month there was always something that was like really attractive for the box, and I never had those items, which was really bothering me. Like, they had so many things like Wander Beauty blush and bronzer duos, Pharmacy Beauty cleaning balm. There's just so many things out there that I saw so heavily advertised and didn't get in my box, and I think that discrepancy, that just made it so much less exciting when I got my box. I just wanted more from it because I told them my preferences, and I also saw these advertisements, so I knew that they had this stuff, but for some reason I wasn't getting it. So that was another reason why I just wasn't getting the things that I was seeing them say they have. Like, where are they? They're not in my box. Another reason why I left Boxycharm is because of money management. Just in realistic terms, Boxycharm is a good deal. You're paying $25 for products that are worth a total of $125 or more. And if you're in the premiums category, then you're talking $35 for maybe like a $200 box. Like, the value in it is so good. However, for me, even if the value of the products is good and it's a good deal, just me receiving products I didn't like makes me still feel like I wasted my money, you know? If I had those $25 every month and chose to spend it on my own, I could have bought several drugstore items, or I could have saved up that $25 each month and bought a high-end item that I've really been wanting outside of Boxycharm. So just for general money management, I would rather spend my funding on things that I need. So I'd rather go buy those things than receive all these random products from my Boxycharm box. That was a big determining factor. It's just I want so many other things, and if I'm not getting them from Boxycharm, then why not get them myself? But as I said, Boxycharm is still a really good deal. It is $25 only, or $35. I still recommend it for you if you are looking to expand your makeup and skincare collection, if you're looking for just introductory items, things you don't have in your kit right now, and you want to get them for a bargain, I think it's a good way to go. However, if you do really want certain things, certain products, brands, companies, etc., I don't think Boxycharm is the best thing to do, because I noticed that they do advertise those high-end nice products, but they don't always give them. And often what I did see as well was that people would get like almost like recycled products. things from months past that had not run out would appear in future months' boxes. And for me, it's like, what about all those people that get repeats? That's not fair for them. Oh, on that note, I also just wanted to say that I'm not the most happy with how customer service at Boxycharm is. Personally, I've never experienced any issues with them. If I email them or if I call them up, they will solve my issues rather quickly. I've never had an issue with them, but I've seen so many comments and complaints on their social media, and I just think it's not fair for those people who are like losing their boxes or getting charged when they don't receive boxes. Like, it's just an odd situation, and I just feel uncomfortable with all that shadiness. Again, they're a corporation, they are trying their best, and delivery is not on their part, it's on their UPS people or FedEx or whatever people use. So it's not entirely on them, but I just think it's unfortunate for all those customers who are just not getting good boxes or boxes at all. So overall, it is a good introductory path. But if you want certain things, if you want to buy your own stuff, I suggest you just buy your own stuff. Because with Boxycharm, there's no guarantee you're gonna get what you like from them every month. I have used a lot of my products, and I did review like almost everything that I've used. I'll link that up here. And I do really like most of the products I've used. I did receive a lot of introductory makeup items, things I had not tried or had before, and I did get to try a lot of different brands and companies, especially because my collection wasn't too big at the start of this, and I didn't know what I liked and what I didn't. It was a really good way for me to figure out what kind of things I liked, what colors, what formulas, what tools. It was a good way to figure out my preferences. I think now that I know my preferences better, I'm able to buy what I want. And so I leave Boxycharm. But I wanted to let you guys know this because I want you to know why. There's no Boxycharm video this month. Also, this will enable me to do more videos like foundation reviews, eyeshadow reviews, new product reviews. I think it'll just give me more leeway because Boxycharm felt like everything on my channel, so hopefully this will enable me to do more than that. But yeah, that is all. That is the reason why I'm leaving Boxycharm and why you won't see any more Boxycharm videos on my channel. No hard feelings against them, I just wish I had more of what I wanted. That's everything. If you enjoyed this video, please do leave a like and subscribe down below. I'd love to see you back. Let me know your Boxycharm experience if you are in it or if you have quit as well. I would love to know if other people got better, worse overall reviews of Boxycharm than me. Yeah, that is all for this week. I hope you guys are staying safe wherever you are, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.